Hey there, welcome back to Krish Think. In today's episode, we're gonna be doing an experiment with laser and mirror. First of, you would need a Arduino Uno board, few jumper wires, DC motor, laser module, a piece of rectangle mirror. We should connect the jumper wires first, in order to test the code. The diagram for the code is in the link description below. Subscribe and get it now. Next, we're gonna be uploading the code for the project via Arduino IDE app. Watch my tutorial how to download Arduino IDE app. To get the code, you have to click in description below again. Let's upload the code. Click on the arrow there to upload. Let's test the code now. Yeah. It's working perfectly. Make sure your laser and the motor working at the same time. The next step is, you have to glue and stick the mirror to the motor. Now, for the modal, I have made my own idea and creativity to build a modal for the project. You can use your own creativity too, as long as the laser and the mirror are in the same facing line. After making the modal, connect the wires again according to the previous pinout. Let's have an experiment now. Lights off. Wow, amazing, right? How this happens? The light that emitting from the laser module will be reflected by the rotating mirror and surround the whole radius of a place. That's all for today. And if you want to know more, then watch my previous episodes to enjoy and learn more about electronics. Subscribe, share and enjoy. Till then, this is Krish Think.